In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to multiply two fractions. When multiplying fractions, you need to multiply across. So for the first example, 3 over 5 times 2 over 7, we'll need to multiply 3 by 2, which will give us 6, and 5 times 7, which will give us 35. Now 6 and 35, we can't simplify this fraction. 6 and 35 doesn't have any common factors, so we can't reduce it. Therefore, this is going to be the answer. Now for the second example, we can multiply across. 8 times 3 is 24. 9 times 4 is 36. Now 24 and 36, we can simplify that. They do have common factors. 24, we can write that as 4 times 6. And 36, we can write that as 4 times 9. So notice that we could cancel a 4, and we can reduce 24 over 36 to 6 over 9. Now we can still reduce this fraction even more. 6 is 3 times 2. 9 is 3 times 3. So we could cancel a 3, and then we're left with 2 over 3. And that's as far as we could simplify it. 2 and 3 doesn't have any common factors besides 1. So that's going to be the answer for the second example. Now something else that you can do. Before you multiply across, sometimes it's easier to simplify first. So for instance, 8, we can write that as 4 times 2. 9, we can write that as 3 times 3. In this case, notice that we could cancel a 4 right from the beginning, and we could cancel a 3. And so we're left over with 2 over 3, and that'll give us the answer. So when multiplying fractions, it might be good to simplify before you multiply. If you can't simplify before you multiply, then you could do what we did in problem 1, just multiply across. But for number 2, if you can identify numbers that have common factors, I recommend that you simplify first.